Berry Avionics is working in drone training and research and development, backed by the World Trade Center Pune and Shiv Nadar AIC. We are not just building a business, we are creating something big. You want to know our mission? To make India the global drone hub. And we want you to be a part of this exciting journey. Why should you join us? Well, this isn't any job. It's an opportunity to grow and shine in a fast-growing industry. We are offering a paid internship where you'll learn about the world of drones. Over the next 3 months, you'll get to explore, learn, and grow with one of the most dynamic industries out there. And guess what? By the end of your internship, you'll earn a global certification co-branded by WTC and Berry Avionics. This will set you apart and open doors for you on the global stage. We are also having an exciting role for you to become a drone ambassador. This role will help you develop leadership, strategy, and business skills. You'll play a key part in shaping the future of the drone industry. Of course, we believe in rewarding hard work, so we offer performance bonuses and other great perks to make sure your efforts are recognized. Who are we looking for? We want exceptional people. If you are someone who can communicate clearly and speak confidently, thrives in fast-paced environments, has the drive to lead and make an impact, is ready to represent India on the world stage, and wants to learn, grow, and take on new challenges, let's create the future together. Apply now.